Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to go ahead and have a look at how you can make money with affiliate marketing without a website. Now I'm going to make this as beginner friendly as possible, and what you'll be glad to know is this is available worldwide. You do not need any money to go ahead and start with what I'm going to share with you in this video. It's all simple, it's all easy, and you can get started with this pretty much within the next hour or so. Now the only thing you are gonna have to do is put in some time and effort, but once you've done that it's really simple. And like I say, I'm gonna make this as simple as possible for anyone wanting to start making some extra money with affiliate marketing, and I've broken this down into 3 steps. Now before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Mark. On the screen right now you're looking at one of my blogs. This one here is called Not Taught at School. Now I blog and I upload videos about making money online, working from home, and then I've got other bits on my blog like life hacks and quotes and an interview series. But if you're interested in earning online and working from home and just making some extra money, subscribe to the channel, hit notifications, and then you'll never miss when I upload a video. And I try to upload a minimum of 3 videos a week, and if I can make more then I absolutely do. So let's jump into today's video and how you can make money with affiliate marketing. So let me jump over here. So I've broken this down into 3 steps and it's really simple. So we've got picking your topic or niche, picking products to promote, and then finally choosing a social platform. Now in terms of picking a topic or a niche, there's lots and lots of different topics or niches you can pick. I'll show you this very quickly. I've just gone over to Google and I've put into Google on here popular niches. Now they're pretty much always going to be the same. You've always got fitness and weight loss, health, dating and relationships, you've got pets, self-improvement, making money on the internet, and beauty. And yeah, it's always going to be these sorts of niches really. Now what I would say to you is, before you go ahead and decide on a niche, just make sure it's something that you're interested in and you enjoy, because for me, I'm in the make money online niche. I work from home and I blog about earning online and working from home. I love it, I genuinely do. So I go ahead and I'm in that niche, if you like. Now there would be no point in me going and blogging and sharing products for pets, because I'm not interested in that, to be absolutely honest with you. I would probably get bored and I would stop doing that, and that's what many people do. So don't pick a niche or topic based around the ones which have the most products, which have the highest profit on. Just pick a topic or a niche which you're genuinely interested in and you enjoy, and then this will just be a really simple thing for you to be doing. So once you've picked your niche, you're going to go ahead and pick some different products to promote. Now there's lots and lots of different products that you can promote, and there's lots of different affiliate platforms which you can use. Now I'll just show you this article here. So I did this article over on my blog and it says affiliate networks every blogger needs to know about. This is the same for whether you're in blogging, whether you're just looking at affiliate marketing, or what I'm going to share in this video with you today. So if we just scroll down here, you've got some different sites on here, and I'll drop a link to this blog below for you so you can go ahead and check this out. But we've got share a sale, we've got affiliate window, keep scrolling down the page here for you. We've got flex offers, we've got JV Zoo, we've got VigLink, and look, there's many more. There's Amazon Associates, there's ClickBank, there's Max Bounty, there's lots and lots of different networks where you can go ahead and find products. So I'm going to share 2 different sites with you, and these are both free to join. They're both simple. There's a low barrier to entry on these, and there's hundreds of thousands of products which you can find and start promoting and sharing on different platforms. So the first one we're going to have a look at is this one here, which is the Amazon Associates. Now if you don't know what the Amazon Associates is, it's basically Amazon, and you can refer people to Amazon, and if they go ahead and buy a product that you recommend, then you go and make money for doing so. Now I'll show an example of this on my blog. This is an article I did on my blog a couple of days ago. It's called the 8 best weird kitchen gadgets that actually work. So if you just scroll down here, I'll show you some examples on here. So you can see this one here. We've got a bacon rack hanger. Scroll down the page here, we've got this this disgusting bogeyman egg separator, and then we've got an avocado slicer, we've got a jar opener. But basically what happens on here is, if somebody was to click on any of these links here and go through to Amazon, then I will earn a commission for doing so. And if they happen to buy anything else whilst they're on Amazon via going through my link, I will also earn a commission for doing so, because Amazon and any affiliate marketing products that you're recommending has what is known as cookies, and they track those cookies back to your link, your website, wherever you're sending the traffic to, and you will earn money for sending them over to Amazon. So once you've decided on your niche or your topic, you can simply come here to the Amazon site directory, and I've just clicked on this here, the left hand side. It'll bring up here, so you can see straight away you've got your niche at the top, and then you've got all your sub niches and all your subcategories on here, and you can go into all of these and just find products that you want to promote, and then once you've got those products, you then share them. So this is the Amazon Associates. Another website you can use, which is absolutely free to get started with, is this one here called ClickBank. Now on the left hand side, you've got all of your different categories. Now you can break this down further. You can click on the health and fitness, for example. You can click this arrow here and it brings up all subcategories and niches. Or if you just wanted to go ahead and have a look at the overall category, you simply click on here. Now this is going to open up in a new page, and it's going to show you all of the different products available on here. Now on ClickBank, all of these products are digital and they're delivered digitally. So somebody buys this product and they get instant access to it, and you earn a commission. Now on the left hand side, you've got all of these different filters on here. Gravity, all this basically means is how many sales a product has had in the last 24 hours. So you see this one here, this flat belly fix. If you scroll down here, you can see gravity. It's got 132. So it's had over 130 sales within the last 24 hours. We've then got another one down here. Where's the gravity of this one? 300. So this has had 300 sales. So what I do when I'm looking at a gravity of a product, I always set it between 20 and 30. So I'll put it to 30 and then I'll leave it at 100. And then what that will do is, it will then bring up the products between 30 and 100, and you can go ahead and you can play around with all of these different filters on here. You can go and look at the average sale price, the average sales, etc. But once you've done this and you're on this page, you can simply scroll through here and have a look at these different products. If you click on here, it will take you over to the actual landing page. So if I click on here, it's going to take me over to the products page, and what you can do here is, there's some really great stuff on here. So you can go ahead and you can grab some images off here and text and other bits which you can use when you're promoting these products to send them over to this here. So this one here is called fatburningfingerprint.com. So you can go on here and you can grab some of the images off here and some of the text off here. I mean, this looks like it's going to be a video on here, so there's not a lot you can actually grab off this one. But also as well, what you do tend to find is, whenever you're looking at some of these, you can see here where it says affiliate page. If you were to click on here, it will open up a page where they normally have images and links and email swipes and all these sorts of things that you can use. But once you've found a product that you want to promote, you simply click on promote. It then opens up a box like this, and then you can put in a nickname, you can put in a tracking ID, but you just click on generate. It will generate the tracking code for you, and you can see here you earn 75%. Oh, sorry, this is because I'm not logged in, so you need to be logged in, and then you would click on promote, and then you can go and get your tracking link, and then you can earn. On here you can earn from 30% all the way up to 90% on here. So it's a really great product. It's a really great platform to go ahead and find products to promote. So like Amazon, it's free and it really is simple to do. So we're now on to step 3. We've done our topic. We've got our products to promote. The next thing we're going to look at is finally choosing a social platform. Now again, there's many different platforms that you can go ahead and decide to promote on. One that is very popular at the minute is Instagram. Now when it comes to Instagram, I mean, this is my Instagram here. I've not got hundreds of thousands of followers. I'm coming up to 1,700 followers. But a lot of people use Instagram to just go ahead and market products. Now a lot of the time people would fall down with this because on Instagram you can only put one link on here. So what would happen is, whenever you're sharing a product or promoting a product, you would continuously have to come to Instagram and change the link in your bio. So a really simple way around this is this here. So let me click on here. It's called links.oo and it's free. So what you can do is you can get your products and you can go into this links.oo and just upload all your products in here and then have one link in your bio on Instagram, and then you can send people to whichever products you're promoting. Now this is a great tool because it means you do not have to continuously go on Instagram and be changing around your link in the bio. If you have this, it's really simple, it's really easy, and again you just do the work once and then this is set up, and then all you're doing on Instagram is sharing your picture, writing some content, and then just promoting, really, just sharing and promoting the products on Instagram. Now when this loads up, I'll be able to show you this. I don't understand why it's going so slow. Let me close down some of these tabs, see if I can speed this up for you. So there you go. So you can see here it's gone through to links.oo.my platform. So you can see on here I've got visit the blog, visit my YouTube channel. I've then got I've got a case study here. So this goes over to a course. This goes over to my this is my course on Udemy. This here is another one of my courses on Udemy, and then I've got some other courses on here which I recommend. So you can see on here this is a great way to advertise on Instagram. So you would create an account on Instagram and you would share content on here like you normally do, and then you just have this links.oo set up. And like I say, this is absolutely free to go ahead and get started with. If you just go here, click on here, it will take you through to links.oo and you can just go ahead and have a look at this. In fact, I did a complete video on this a couple of weeks ago. If you go on my channel and have a look at make money on Instagram without money, make money on Instagram. If you just search make money on Instagram on my channel, you'll find the video. I can't remember the actual title for this, but if you go on there, then you will find the video, and it walks you through this whole process of doing this. It's really simple, it's really easy, but it's just a quick method for you to use instead of continuously having to change your link on Instagram. So this is links.oo, and Instagram's a great platform to go ahead and drive traffic over to your products or your affiliate products that you're promoting. And then another simple site you can use is Pinterest. Now many people do this. So I'm on Pinterest here, and again Pinterest is free, and I've just typed in make money online. So on Pinterest here, what you're looking at here, these are called pins. And this one here, so this one here for example, get paid for your opinion, earn up to £35 per survey. If I click on here, this will take me through to the swag books page on here, and there's many more different things on here. You can see on here people put up these pins on here, and then when you click on these it will take you through to a website. So you would create your image, upload it on here, and then send that traffic over to the products that you're promoting via Amazon or via ClickBank or any of the other platforms which you want to go ahead and do. Now if you're worrying about, I can't make these pins on here, there's a really simple website where you can go and create pins for free. That website is this one here, and it's called canva.com. So you can see on here are some of my pins that I have created lately. It's a really great site. It's really quick, it's free, and they have hundreds of different they have thousands of different templates that you can use on here for Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. They've just got so many different categories on here as well that you can go ahead and use. So this is Pinterest. So again, all you would do is you would create your image on Canva. You would come over to Pinterest, you would upload your pin onto here with a link leading over to the products that you're promoting, and then you earn money when people do so. And this is just two different platforms. We've looked at Instagram and Pinterest, but there's many more different ways you could do this. You could go ahead and create a Facebook page around a certain topic or a niche and share products on your Facebook page. You can go on Quora and answer questions on Quora, and you drive traffic over to the products or the services from Quora. Honestly, there's lots of different ways, but that there pretty much concludes today's video. It's not quick, it's relatively quick, but it is simple and it is easy. It's available worldwide, and it is also free to go ahead and use what I've shown you in this video today. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please drop them below this video. Thanks very much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.